Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Mariano WAHL hairstyle and beard inspiration. I really like how he looked during his Milan Fashion Week, and so today I'm going to try and emulate that for you guys. If that sounds interesting to you, let's get right into this video.
Let's go! Alright everyone, I'm going to give you a total 360 so you can see the before of my hair and my beard. I cut my hair a few days prior to making this video, so I won't be cutting my hair. To get started with the beard, I'm going to be taking my 15mm guard with the lever in the middle, about halfway open. Now, in the end product, you can't really see the line that I'm creating, but I wanted to try to see if it would look any different. With the clipper starting around the mustache, create a diagonal line down toward the corner of your jawline. Mariano WAHL also likes to keep his sideburns in his pictures, so I'm stopping around halfway up my ear to keep my sideburns. Once that initial guideline is put with the 15mm lever halfway open, completely open up that lever and slightly touch up on that hard line to give it a nice blend. Make sure you're doing the exact same thing on the other side. Using the 15mm with the lever halfway open, start cutting the hair on the corner of your mustache in a diagonal line down to the corner of your jawline, and go up about halfway up your ear to keep the sideburn. Again, using the 15mm with the lever completely open, blend in that hard line. The key here is to flick at the line. We're not trying to remove any bulk using this guard with the lever open, only use this to blend in that hard line. Using the number 1 guard lever halfway open, start to remove all of the bulk around your neck, cheek, and jawline. I always like to finish cutting the bulk right around my mustache. This will leave a nice amount of extra hair around your chin in which we can fade in to create a more dynamic face structure. So this is a little trick of the trade, but you do this by cutting the hair by your cheeks a lot shorter and by leaving the hair on your chin longer. This can definitely help give the illusion of a more structured jaw and face. This look overall is a very attractive feature, and I know everybody, especially women, absolutely love it. Right here, I'm going to go up about 1 inch from my beard line to my chin. You want to make sure you leave at least some hair underneath your chin, at least 1 inch. This way it allows us to properly blend in the facial hair and give you that structured, attractive look. Using the number 2 guard lever closed, we're going to start removing the bulky hard lines around our chin. Start digging into the hard line and cut about ½ inch. Do your best to stay away from cutting the hairs directly on your chin. Remember, our goal right now is to fade in our chin hairs to our cheek hairs. Using the number 1 guard lever open, we're going to remove that hard line from the cheeks to the chin. This is where you will start to see a significant difference with the fade. Using the corners of your clippers, knock out that hard line and nothing else. Using my WAHL trimmer, I'm going to be shaping up the hair under my lip to give it a more defined look. Ooh, shoo! Man, that looks super nice. Take a look at that beard. Wow, look at that fade. That fade by the cheeks to the chin. That transition is so smooth. Let's keep it going. We're off to the next step. For the hairstyling, I'll be using two of my favorite styling products from Hanz the Fuko. I'll be using about half of a pea size of quicksand and about 1 pea size of gravity paste. Quicksand gives the hair a strong hold with a matte finish. Gravity paste gives the hair a high hold with a medium shine. This is exactly what I'm going for this hairstyle. With half a pea size of quicksand and 1 pea size of gravity paste, start to work in the product into your hands. Really give the product the works and heat it up really nice so it can be smoothly applied into your hair. Now when applying the product, I like to push all of my hair straight down. This will allow for more volume in the end product of the style. Try to apply the product more so into the roots than just your hair. Also, do your best to apply some of the product on the side of your hair, so that way your hair doesn't look like it has two different textures. Kinda like how I didn't do in this video. Now with about half a pea size more of gravity paste, I'm going to completely flip my hair backwards and give it that lift in the front. Completely run your hands all throughout your hair to make sure the product is being evenly distributed. Once you feel the product is completely distributed throughout your hair, you can start styling in the direction you want. I recommend only using your hands to style your hair. If you're like me and have thick and somewhat coarse wavy hair, using your hands would be the best option, especially when using stronger high hold products. Now, if you have a more finer hair or straighter hair, you can still use your hands, but you may also be able to use a comb depending on the style you're going with. Here is my go-to style whenever I do apply product to my hair. I think it looks pretty clean, especially with the type of haircut I just gave myself. But we are not finished yet. Mariano DeVal's hairstyle is up next. Using a comb, I'm going to repart my hair. I'm going to go in with the comb about ½ an inch and make as straight of a line as possible from the front all the way to the back portion of the top of my head. Once you've created a good part, start to comb down all of the loose hair. These hairs will act as your new part, and this is exactly the type of look Mariano DeVal had during his fashion show. If your hair does not want to cooperate, kind of like mine wasn't, you can wet your fingers and apply the water to the roots of those hairs. Remember, the roots are what holds up your hair, not the hair itself. So if you can get the roots to stay down, the rest of the hair will follow. Once the hair is staying down, grab your comb and comb it down to the side and slightly backward.
YouTube! This is the cut, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate all of you watching. Shout out to Instinct for another awesome soundtrack. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'll catch you next time. Peace!
Who looks better?